So I did my little Savers thrift shopping. I'm gonna open it up. It's a mini fridge, so I could put my, oops, my bad. Put my little because you know I do nails, and this is my nail table. Okay, this is a little something that I have right here. It's inside my living room. This is just a little finishing touches, top coats, cuticle oil, alcohol, nail bits, jewelry tweezers, and a little pretty rose. Okay, this right here is a fan, picks up all the dust. So I found this at the thrift store. Oh my God. So why? Because we're gonna put the, you know, the tip glue to hold on the tips. If it's glue, it can't be near heat, so I have to leave it inside a little fridge. I don't have the cord, but you know, that's always possible. Okay, I could always get one of these. They sold it for $12.99. I also got some glass slippers. I got a pink one, and I got the real Cinderella glass slipper, which is my slipper, because I am Cinderella with my glass slipper. So I'm gonna try and use this because you know I love to decorate my nail stuff. It gets a little bit, you know, at a time. I don't find everything at one time. So this doesn't have to be my nail brush holder for the dust what's it called, dust brush, because I also have one here. Okay, got my cute little, she's my friend. She comes with the little, okay, and I also got the matching, or another friend, which is probably her friend, my friend, we all friends. And this is my dust brush, another one. Okay, this is the real horse hair, whatever it's called. This is so damn thick. So I use that, but I leave it over here. This is my light, Manny Pro. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what else I got from the Savers. Don't look at my ugly ass feet. But you know, I had to get that 10 G's, you know, it's about 10 racks up in here. I got, so fucking fresh. This is snake, but it's velvet. Snake skin velvet with that ring. I'm just gonna toss everything. So I also got these pillows because it reminds me of my culture. They were only $2.99 each. Okay. Circle. A lady liked it while I was strolling my cart. And I know she was Latino, and she was like, "Oh, this is so cute." She started pointing at it. I was like, "Oh yeah," it was on my phone. And she really liked that. I could tell this is really brand new. I don't know what this says. This tag is not to be removed except by the consumer. And it's a second-hand article. And I think that's what they do to all pillows. I got this. This is supposed to be a pillow too. But I'm not going to make it one. It's supposed to be like a decorated pillow, right? But I'm going to put this as the middle of my round table in my kitchen. A round table, like, you know, where I could just lay that, and then placemats, because I have gold placemats. And then I can put my flower vase or my napkins, napkin holder. And this was only $1.99. Okay. You know, had to open my stuff because I had gotten me a bag. You know, that's what I consider a bag. You know, to play with. Stuff that I could use. Because, you know, when you have an expensive apartment, you got to decorate it, but also be smart to know that all the stuff that you have, like the couch is brand new, those pillows are brown, red and gold, because that's my theme. I have a San Francisco 49er NFL, you know, theme, and those are my colors. Okay, so most of my stuff in here that are big items are brand new, like this stool, that gold stool you just saw, the sofa, you know, that vase in the back. Okay, my little peacock. I got my ring light. I needed to put that because I just don't want the neighbors to be looking through the windows. They got like 3 windows across me. They be having their windows open, so that's my balcony. So we're gonna put this down and focus on this thing. Okay. And so I got, okay, who doesn't like nylon shiny? What is these called? Oh, fuck, I forgot the damn word. It's not nylon. It's it ain't plastic. It's whatever, but you see it? For $3.99, little tote bag. I can go with some, making it look like it's, you know, got me a little clutch bag. Clutch, little velvet. I got a little marking right there, but I think you just gotta rub it up. It's very used. I could see how this corner right here is got the hairs off of the velvet. I don't know if you want to call this velvet or whatever, but this is a different purse I've ever seen because it just clips on like that. But damn, it's looks like a fucking, you know, the money bags that have the tie. It's like a set, like a bag, and then you tie it right here. But it's a clutch. Why is my shit like doing that? Okay. So the handle's right here. And I think I'm gonna hold it like this. And just hold it like a clutch. Okay. So there's that one. And then since my boyfriend got two pit bulls, so I be dog proofing the damn fucking apartment. So I'll be having to put all kinds of sheets all over my damn furniture. That stool, anything that's velvet, even this damn pillow, velvet. You know, I don't know what they call this, but it almost looks like a shag, but it's like flowers. This is the receipt. I can see the little flowers, the little what is it called? Holes and stuff. But anyways,